Hello guys, another Alfie Waterfall video. Make sure to subscribe. And today I'm making my way with Dad, Mummy with the broke arm, to a big waterfall. Let's go. And I have a bunch of goodies inside my backpack. There's gummy bears inside. And I listen to Huggy Wuggy song. I do not know, but I'm afraid I will get stuck in my Look how far down it is, guys. That's really far. I'm scared of heights, and I'm going to be in the AKS land. That's my dog. Let's go. And I live in Northern Ireland. One day I was playing it's still here, but I poked the stick out of it, and it's pretty sore still. It's okay, because nothing can hurt it now, because I have my gloves on. And it's on my strong hand, which is this hand. Look at that big waterfall. It's making a lot of noise, isn't it? I can barely hear anything. And I go a bit blind, so I have to wear these glasses. So it's cold, and I got tired with my hand.